how to show what you're doing on Discord mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to show what you're doing on Discord mobile. So then to begin with, open up or log in into your Discord account. Once logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. While you're on this page, tap the tab bar icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen, and over here go ahead and tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. Once you tap the profile icon, it's going to take you to the profile page. Here, scroll down a bit and go to privacy and safety. While you're on privacy and safety, there are multiple sections, so you'll need to head over to the section that says activity status. Under it, you need to make sure that you have enabled or toggled the button for display current activity as a status message. Make sure to toggle the button. As soon as you do that, now if the other app allows you to overlay, your status will appear as playing this or listening to Spotify, whatever you're doing. Apart from it, if you want to set a custom status, you can also go ahead and tap on set status. Go to custom status, which will be located right at the bottom. Now you can go ahead and type in whatever sort of status that you wish to enter in. Select to clear in 4 hours whatsoever and tap the save button. As soon as you do that, you've successfully set your custom status or showed what you're doing on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.